तो उसके लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ। ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग गेम है जिसको हम भी अभी समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो आप भी हमारे साथ थोड़ा सा वक्त दीजिए, खत्म होने वाला है। तो मेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना कि मैंने कहानी लिखी हुई है, तो आप मुझसे प्लॉट ट्विस्ट ये कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि मेरा कहीं कहानी आउट ना हो जाए।
हाँ, ओके।
तो मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि सब उल्टे पुल्टे आंसर दें, कंफ्यूज हो जाए और बाद में 19 का वेट करें जब शो रिलीज हो जाए। बट वी रियली हैड फन playing this game. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So Indranil is saying कि
नोयानिका को
हाँ,
आई थिंक नोयानिका को अगर कोई भी एडवाइस देनी हो तो वो यही देगी कि उसे shut up. No, I don't mean to say she will say that she's to shut up. That's close. No, but she would definitely say that जो दिखता है उसी पे भरोसा करो, जो आपकी आंखों से दिखता है उस पे भरोसा करो, अपने दिल पे हमेशा भरोसा मत करो। फिल्म का डायलॉग है।
Thank you, Naveen. Next, if you could just.
नहीं थप्पड़ मारा है हस्बैंड ने।
बंद कमरे में बाहर हाथ पकड़ के आ जाती है।
अच्छा, बाहर क्यों जाती है? अगले सीजन में बाहर मारना ही क्या?
अगले सीजन में बाहर पिटेंगे।
But honestly,
Sorry?
but honestly, इतने देर तक मतलब वो खुद लॉयल है।
So I think when you discuss it on a woman's level, I think when you discuss it from a society level, it's very easy to say, do this, do that. आपको ये करना चाहिए, आपको ये वो करना चाहिए. Theoretically, it sounds very good, but when you're put into a real life situation, it is difficult. It is a very, very difficult decision. You have so many factors to consider, and that is Noyanika's dilemma. There is a financial consideration, there are children involved in it, there is society involved in it, there is a job involved in it. So there is a lot under it. I wouldn't say she's weak so much as taking her time to make the right decision, because it's not only her that she's talking about. It's not only her that she has to consider. So it's got to do with so many other factors. So
बिगेस्ट रेड फ्लैग आपके लिए क्या? नहीं आपके लिए, नोयानिका के लिए नहीं, काजोल के लिए।
the biggest red flag in a relationship, I don't know whether it's a big red flag so much as I think when you're meeting somebody for the first time, probably I think there are just small things that set you off, और जो आपको लगता है कि ये मतलब ये मुझे नहीं लगता कि इस इंसान के साथ मैं ज़्यादा देर I will not be able to have a relationship with this person. So I think there's small things more than one big red flag.
Thank you.
जिशा जी, आप मणिकर्णिका से लेके मर्दानी तक एंड शकुंतला देवी से लेके नोयानिका तक, मतलब बहुत ही पावरफुल वुमेन के हस्बैंड्स प्ले कर रहे हैं लगातार, हिंदी में खास तौर पर। हाउ डू यू फील लाइक दैट?
Brilliant. Love it.
एंड मतलब चॉइस, ये जो चॉइस आप कर रहे हैं उसकी मतलब क्या वजह रहती है, क्या
पैसा? Oh, so money. It is whatever I've asked for, they've paid me and I did it. To be very honest, I don't think so much. आपने इतने सोच के question की है, but I actually don't think so much. If I like my part, I'll do it.
You don't find it repetitive?
Sorry?
Repetitive नहीं लगता कभी ऐसा?
अगर ऑडियंस को नहीं लगता हुआ तो मुझे क्यों? Till the director keep taking me in this kind of roles, I would do it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For your question.
Thing that really stayed with you from this time shoot?
You know, I was extremely happy that I had a fully functional body in season 2. Because in season 1, I had a broken hand. And only when I was able to use my entire body. So I came and told you also, ना, so मुझे पता नहीं था कि हाथ का इतना meaning हो सकता है. Like literally, in the first season, I had a broken hand, like the entire season. So
Severely handicapped, I want to tell
I was really handicapped. Really, probably.
And I hit her on her hand by mistake also. By mistake, it was by mistake.
Yeah. By mistake for sure. But imagine season 2 win and full body. Wow, amazing. Like amazing. It was really, really good. It was. But I think as a person who's playing, a character that's an extension, there is so much of your first part, like that you already have in your mind subliminally, it gets so much more beautiful to play it. And I'm so grateful for the opportunity. I really appreciate like the entire atmosphere and the environment that was created to then go ahead and continue. And it was such a safe, lovely, wonderful environment. Thank you so much for that, Kajal. Thank you so much for that, Mirza. Thank you. Sure, you also, yeah.
And now I think you should interrupt with one compliment.
I should? She knows that. She knows she's...
Not her.
Okay. अच्छा ये अभी अपना प्यार चल रहा है. But he said पैसा वो अभी...
हमको तो एक
आपका
दूसरे
कुछ भी
के
देखा
साथ
है?
काम करने में
एक दूसरे के साथ काम करके बहुत अच्छा लगा। जियो
फिर आप बोलते हो सोशल मीडिया
देखिए, अच्छे
न्यूट्रल
लोग हैं ना, तो अच्छे लोग जिसके भी साथ काम करते हैं वो अच्छा ही लगता है।
जी सर.
तो कोई भी आ जाए तीसरे में, कोई और निर्देशक भी आ जाए तो अच्छा ही लगेगा उसको यार, और तुमको भी अच्छा लगेगा।
जी सर. Thank you so much sir. Thank you. So the...
See that your journey has been long and has been very beautiful, and we all love you the way you are. And now I see from the heroine you've become the character, the real character, and somehow I feel that you have more potential to the character, because you come across as a very, very strong woman, and that reflects in most of your movies. So in this particular trial, how did you connect with this particular role?
Noyanika's character was a very easy character to connect with. I think because I think most women have faced things. I mean, they all understand the conscious decisions that we make as women, especially when we're dealing with families, kids, relatives, so work, all of it, and I have some wonderful women around me as well who manage all of what Noyanika does without doing it on screen and never talking about it. And at the same time making it look so very easy. So I take inspiration from them, and I hope I've done them justice.
Thank you for your question.
Absolutely,
के
thank you
मद्देनजर
so
एक
much.
आखिरी सवाल ले सकते हैं. One last question.
Hi, this is Ashana Vedpathak here. I have a question for Kajal ji.
Really don't.
बच्चों के बाद आप I don't know whether I think that much, honestly, but I think when you're a woman, when you're, especially in our society, when you're a woman and you have kids and you're married, there's a certain perception that society has. एक society की सोच होती है जो जिस हिसाब से वो देखते हैं आपकी तरफ, तो वो मुझे लगता है कि is very influential in the kind of scripts that you are even offered. So I can never deny that I'm a mother. I love the fact that I'm a mom. I love my kids, and I have said categorically time and again that they're the best things that I've done in my life. So I think that is, yes, a huge part of how people see me.
काजल मैम,
Thank
यहाँ
you.
पे भी आप आया
सत श्री अकाल.
आपने देखा है नहीं देखा है तो यहाँ पे देख लीजिए एक बार प्लीज. हाँ बोलिए.
मेरा आपसे सवाल ये है, द शो इज कमिंग ऑन 19th of September, तो ये शो यहाँ पे भी कानून है, बड़े पर्दे में भी कानून है, बिकॉज जॉली LLB 3 is also releasing on 19th of September. So in a way, it's Akshay versus Arshad versus Kajol. तगड़ी टक्कर है. What's your take on that?
My take is that there is no टक्कर. ऐसी कोई टक्कर ही नहीं है. आई थिंक अगर अक्षय को भी पूछा जाए तो वो भी बोलेगा नहीं तेरी पिक्चर बिल्कुल चलेगी, और मैं भी उसको बोलूंगी तेरी पिक्चर जरूर चलेगी.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
Kajal ma'am,
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's such a
What was it like to work with her?
No, not to work. तो ठीक है, you all two big wigs. How was the drama? Courtroom drama कैसे रहा like?
How was the whole act
over
drama?
Act
We
drama.
were to perform.
तो स्टोरी चाहिए.
नहीं, not story. तो story तो
पूछ रहे हैं आप.
नहीं story.
कोर्टरूम ड्रामा कैसा था?
ड्रामा बहुत अच्छा था. ऑन स्क्रीन ड्रामा बहुत अच्छा था, ऑफ स्क्रीन कोई ड्रामा नहीं था. बहुत मजे किए हमने, सोनाली ने और मैंने, और हमने बैठ के मराठी में जबर बातें की, और बैठ के हमने एक बार खाना भी खाया है, तो वी हैड ग्रेट फन, एंड that's really it. But on screen she's a very बहुत ही तगड़ी परफॉर्मर है, और I mean जो भी सीन्स हमने साथ में किया, हमने ज़्यादा सीन्स नहीं किया लेकिन जो भी हमने काम साथ में किया है बहुत ही इंटेंस है, और मुझे लगता है कि लोगों को भी देखने में मजा आएगा.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your question. And with that,